ay yung dedication nyo sa ating organization. And at the same time, ako'y nagpapasalamat at nandito kayo hanggang ngayon. You're still here, supporting our region and our club. And ang sila po sa taas, ang ating National President, Kuya Arnold Bandayan, is very happy. Very, very happy sa ating pinakita sa kanila. And in fact, may mga awards tayo na kukuha kay Kuya NP, which is baka makauwi ko ngayong July, dadaling ko pagbalik. But I'm very happy with our performance. Marami pong salamat sa inyong mga kuya, Anati. Yung pinakita yung support sa ating organization is extraordinary. Pero, may isa kong pero. The organization will not stand without your members. Kung wala po kayo, wala po ang Marinobor Region. Wala po ang Marinobor Region. This is why I'm very proud of you all na naging member ng ating organization. Kasi andyan kayo lagi. And I hope, isa lang ang hihingin ko ngayon for the year 2025. Yung natin, we have continuous communication on our group chat. It's very difficult on our leadership, especially me, regional officers, club president, pag hindi po kayo mag-reply sa ating GC. It's either you can do it, you cannot do it, thumbs up, thumbs down, that's fine. Wala pong pilitan sa atin. This is all about your commitment. This is all about your dedication. Hindi po kayo pinipilit. But, if you have time, give your time. Just to see thumbs up, thumbs down, no way, I don't have money, you are free. Wala po kayong, sa Bisaya pa, tulubagon.
Obligation.
You have to just imagine, that there are leaders that we have. They are communicating with your president, your secretary, your vice president. They're saying something na, Kuya, mahirap talaga. Walang nag-reply sa akin. No, just reply with them in the GC. Or you can call them, you can message them personally. Para po hindi po sila mahihirapan. You can come? Okay. You cannot come? Okay. Kuya, I cannot come. Sorry. Yun lang po. Hindi po yun pangasaba. Okay, so far, congratulations po sa inyo lahat. This year, all our effort are well paid off. Not to mention each and every one of you. But your most active participation in order to reach our goal to our region is extraordinary. Moreover, let me take this opportunity to acknowledge the tremendous and adorable initiatives that were undertaken by you all. Indeed, you are an inspiration, a challenge, and an avenue to our organization. I am certain through that this region that we have will continue to serve year by year because I have faith in you. God bless Marinobor Region, officers and members, Kuya, Ate, and Bunso. God bless all the guests today. Congratulations po sa ating lahat. As Henry Ford quoted, coming together is a beginning. Staying together is a progress, and working together is a success. Let us enjoy the night. May video clip pa tayo. Mabuhay Agila! Diyo'y Patria!
Maganda talaga yung hinuhuli natin si Governor. Meron tayong nakukuhang aral. And now, before we end up with our closing remarks, I want to recognize the President of SBNEP. Please stand. Ayun po, yung SBNet, natapos po sila last year, induction, so kaya hindi sumabay sa atin. And even the MBNet, which is Muarak, natapos din last year in the Christmas, so kaya hindi sumabay. But in the next coming year, sabay-sabay na po tayo. Yan ang Northern Bahrain region. Okay, and now for the finale, let's call our Vice Governor, Kuya Ruben, lagi daw nyo. Ito ang nag-recruit sa akin dito sa Eagles. Nakakalimutan ko.
Kuya Rubeng!
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang Agila! Ito si Kuya Ramon. Since na tinatag namin ng UAP noon, hindi ba namin kasama yan eh. Pumasok lang yan. Kakilala ko na kaibigan ko na hindi pa rin kilala kung sino ako.
Kuya Rubeng!
Kung ano-ano pa rin ang pangalan ko eh. Siya nga pala, kanina kasi, nung mag-speech si Consul, napakaganda ng speech ng mga kasamahan natin. Nung mag-speech ako, impromptu, wala akong kopya. Kaya ang ginawa, pag lumabas ako, nagawa ako ng speech para sa closing. Nakakaya eh. Basahin ko na lang. Basahin ko na kasi parang nandihado mo kanina eh. Good evening. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mga kuya at ate. Today marks a significant moment in our club's journey as we welcome our new elected and appointed regional and club officers. It is a time for us to reaffirm our commitment, the value and mission that bind us together. As they take the oath today, as we take the oath today, they, we, and me, everyone, let us all pledge our continued support to their leadership. Today, we will work towards building a stronger, more vibrant community, fostering growth and camaraderie within our club. Let this occasion inspire us to contribute with enthusiasm and dedication. Here's the successful terms again. Congratulations, officers, and best luck to all of us back in this new responsibility. Thank you very much.
Rubeng!
Kuya Rubeng. Ginawa ng matanda si Kuya Rubeng. Na Kuya Rubeng na. Kuya Rubeng.
Anyway, before we need to have a photo op. Gusto pa ninyo? Tapos na eh. Video okay on.
Video okay all daw. Video okay all.
Photo off! Video
Photo off, video key on. Video key on, photo off.
Before that,
Photo op.
let's call our
Video key on.
I think it's GMM.
GMM.
Like mo na sa kuya mo ha.
Mag-GMM daw.
Sandali lang. We are expecting to charter another new club in Bahrain. Still, number one,
Kuya Boni.
we still have time to, we are still longing for our Capital Noble Leaders Club.
Longing?
No. Second thing is that we have another club to form, and it is under formation now. We have already conducted an interview, and soon we'll give the preliminary yung na-pipeline sa pangalawang ayos, yung preliminary information, I-schedule po natin yung second interview. I believe is already done for some of the members. This is about the provision of under the Muharraq Noble Bahrain Eagles Club. The name of this club is Hid Bahrain Noble Eagles Club.
Kid, pare.
This is to be chartered by our very own Secretary Kuya Dino Lanipa. Kuya Dino? Inshallah.
Inshallah.
And I hope I hope your support for this newly chartered club that we have as planned. Sana susupport natin. If you have relatives, friends, and gusto po maging Agila, we have to tell them and undergo the way of becoming an eagle. Because this is not eagle. This is to be under process with our 5 eyes. Ano po yung 5 eyes? Refreshment, 5 eyes. Introduction, interview,
Introduction, interview.
initiation, incubation, introduction. By virtue of authority vested on me as your regional governor, I now declare this session adjourned.
Video time. Wala, video time.
Tuog daw muna.
Kuya,
Picture kay, ready na kayo po eh.
photo off. Video on. Photo off daw. Video on.
Pakuha muna tayo, wala tayong kuha pa.
I'm calling all the officers of Marinable Region and all clubs of each club officers for the photo off. I think. Okay, Palyaw, please go on. Ano nito? Hawakan din yung diyan lahat para doon lahat dito kami sa taas. Okay, how will lead with this? Kuya rin.
Picture po muna. Unahin po muna natin yung mga club president dun sa club president.
President daw. President of the...
Yoman.
Robeng. Nasaan na si Robeng, President?
Club president. Club president.